Hi again, guys. Another review, this time of the Breakdown Train. I just got it in today. Edward pulling it with Thomas on. Now, the flatbeds could have used some chocks to help wheels stay on. Maybe working with those is why they thickened the wheels. I don't know. The thicker wheels do stay on it better. Yeah. So, Edward with Thomas on the Breakdown Train, and you might be able to see the duck in the background reflection. But anyway, let's talk about the thing. Oops. Strong magnet. Unfortunately, in spite of this being the back end unit, they never made a front end unit, which is a shame. Well, it connects not to back magnets, but to front magnets. This was later given a more detailed re-release. Well, rather, not really a re-release, just updated 1 year. With a green arm and more detail. Although they didn't give it the ventilator, which is missing on all the wooden railway models. And I think the take-along too, but I'm not sure. I know the Ertl one's got it. But, you know, due to the one-way magnets thing, this isn't as good as it could have been. But, yeah, still worth picking up. It was featured in the Percy Takes the Plunge set. And you'll notice that, in spite of what I said, because I wasn't paying proper attention to him, my Thomas is actually 1992/1993. And you'll notice that on his undercarriage, the wood got knocked off and had to be glued back on. Oh well. The lining on my restoration of his paint job is a bit rough, but it serves, and, well, I like him. I've had him since Christmas '94, so he is my primary Thomas. Worth getting. That's this review over.